not accept them. We can't be disenfranchised. Why do we watch? We come all the way from Bulawayo and we find our names not there. And we don't know what's happening.
They are rigging.
We don't know what's happening. We expect our name. Whoever is in charge, whoever is doing this.
But we confirm that your name is there.
Sorry?
Yes. We confirm that your name is in the voters list.
Me, I confirm them now.
We have confirmed.
There's no treasure. There's no treasure.
Most of the names don't appear.
What do you think is the reason for your names missing?
Maybe best known to those that have done it. I don't know the reason behind this, but maybe best known to those that have done it. But only what we want is to have all the names appear on the voters' roll and we continue voting. Nothing else, nothing other than that.
Which position did you hold in 2014? Which position did you hold? Which position?
I am the organizing secretary for the district. Of course, my name is there, but I'm an agent. I'm Dr. Cooper's agent. But most of the voters can't find their names there. So it's like Bulawayo just came here for a visit. Sorry? I think it's fair enough. The authorities are there. Njengoba ama-authorities wonke khona kumele benze iplan. Kumele benze iplan ngoba thina singeke sibuye all the way silande uzobona amanyala lawo esimeleleni. Sibuyeleni nxa ukuthi amabizo abantu kawakho abazovota. Balandeni right? Igama kubani baba? Ngulungani Ndebele.